Okay guys, so we're cleaning this up. I already did the sanding on it because it just needed a gentle scrub. It didn't need an oh my god down to the bare metal. Okay, I got one spot over here I need to readjust if you guys want to take a quick look. So I've got a little bit here that I need, and I didn't do any painting or priming around this. So this is from something being done to the car at some point. So I'll scuff that up really good. Let me get this side cleaned. And the only reason why I'm using brake parts cleaner is because of how quickly it dries and it takes all the trash with it. Now granted, if you look, my shoe just went black. But yeah, let me get this part sanded again, just being the safe side. I want a good clean finish on this. And there we go. So we're just gonna hose it down again, just being the safe side. Like I said, I want this to be as nice as possible. Oh wow, it's taking some of the old paint off now finally. Okay, so let's see what we've got. I mean, it's got to be done. So I'm wondering if somebody painted this at some point. I don't know, I'm speculating. Because with this being factory paint, just regular brake parts cleaner, because we are in California, so we don't have the power of being in another state. So let me scuff this up, and I guess we'll see you guys in the next one because I got a little bit of work to do now. But we'll see you.